Do you dream of working backstage at London Fashion Week, working on a blockbuster movie, or on a West End theatre production? Well, the hair, makeup and special effects courses at Coleg Cymoedd will give you the skills to begin your training in this vibrant and fast-paced industry. Working as a professional makeup artist is an exciting, highly creative and very dynamic career. Firstly, we offer a 1-year Level 2 diploma in theatrical hair and makeup, equivalent to 4 GCSEs. We also offer a 2-year Level 3 extended diploma course that is an equivalent qualification to 3 A-levels with equivalent UCAS points. Both qualifications are awarded and certified by the University of the Arts London, and upon successful completion will enable you to follow a direct route to a higher education course of your choice at college, university or into employment. Our 1-year Level 2 diploma course will give you a fantastic introduction to hairstyling and makeup application for beauty and bridal industries, fashion and theatre, as well as a specialist project on designing makeup looks for a music video. On our 2-year Level 3 extended diploma in hair, makeup and special effects, you will learn how to create hair and makeup looks for film, television and theatre, as well as editorial, fashion and catwalk looks. You will learn how to work with actors, models, designers and photographers. You will develop your skills to create character makeup for film and television. Everything from styling wigs to creating cuts and wounds, to creating hair and makeup looks from the past, including ancient Egyptian, Elizabethan and 1940s looks. You'll be required to keep a weekly diary of your makeup skills progress and write and produce large-scale projects throughout the 2-year course. You will explore case studies of high-profile makeup artists, as well as research cutting-edge makeup products, techniques, period makeup looks from past eras and much, much more. You will need to read books, research magazines and websites, as well as follow the work of BAFTA and Oscar-winning makeup artists. This is an exciting, demanding and fast-paced course, but if you work hard, we will support you, bring out the best in you and help you follow your dreams. Here you'll see an overview of the typical entry requirements for different course levels across the college. In terms of the entry criteria for production arts makeup, for the Level 2 diploma you will require 4 GCSEs at grades A* to D, including English, Welsh and Maths numeracy, or a Level 1 diploma at merit grade or above in a relevant subject area, including Level 1 ESW. For the Level 3 diploma, you will require 5 GCSE grades A* to C, including English, Welsh and Maths, or a Level 2 diploma at merit grade or above in a relevant subject area, including Level 2 ESW. For the Level 3 Year 2 extended diploma, you will require to show progression from Level 3 subsidiary diploma and achieve your skills qualification in Year 1. All learners are required to purchase a professional makeup artist kit, as well as pay a £50 studio fee at the start of the academic year. These fees will contribute toward general materials and consumables, trips and specialist guest speakers. We offer you a highly specialist and professional learning environment that closely mirrors the reality of working in the fast-paced film and television industry. You will be working in our purpose-built professional makeup studios, and as you progress, you'll hone your practical, professional hair, wigs and makeup skills. The importance of maintaining a professional working makeup kit will be covered as well, and working to high standards of health, safety and hygiene. Across the makeup department, the course tutors have vast experience of working in the industry, including film and television productions for the BBC, Film 4, Fox TV, fashion, editorial and magazine work, as well as running successful commercial bridal businesses. Our courses offer you fantastic progression routes. You can join us at further education level and progress onto our unique higher education courses, including the HND in Creative Production Arts and the final top-up at BA Honours degree in Hair, Makeup and Special Effects, which is franchised from the University of South Wales. The makeup industry is fiercely competitive, so you will need to be prepared to work hard to stand out and succeed. For those of you who do, we offer you opportunities for professional makeup work experience placements on film and television productions. We have students from our makeup courses who've gone on to be very successful working on productions such as Doctor Who, Casualty, Mary Queen of Scots and many more. Perhaps you will be our next success story. So if you're interested in checking out the standards achieved by our learners, please view our website at www.camoithcreative.co.uk and at Camoith Creative Profiles on Facebook and Instagram. Make sure you go and apply now, and we look forward to seeing you soon.